buds, Miss Daisy here. Look what we got in the mail. This is the Fuzzy Friends Kit from Jmmico. We have everything we need to build 3 fuzzy, fluffy, silly monsters. It's perfect for crafting together with your grown-ups. We've got some soft, colorful pieces, sticky shapes, instructions. All the silly monster supplies are ready to go. Each Fuzzy Friend Kit comes with its own instructions, and even better, there's a special QR code for every monster. If you just scan it, it takes you to a step-by-step tutorial on Jmmico's YouTube channel, so you can build along and craft with confidence. Let's start with Joy, the pink fuzzy monster. She's rated as a 2-star difficulty, which makes her a great place to begin. The instruction booklet gives me easy step-by-step guide to follow. I'm also watching the YouTube video for the first time while I build along. Joy is made with super soft pipe cleaners. They're easy to bend and twist, and even after you finish, the fun doesn't stop. This is a reusable toy, so once you build the monster, you can use the leftover eyes and accessories to mix it up and create a brand new fuzzy friend. But this time, I'm following along. I want to see her exactly as she's meant to be. When her body shape is done, we can tuck in all of the loose ends. Then it's time to accessorize. The YouTube video shows me exactly what stickers I need and where to place them. Isn't she cute? The final touch is a key ring, so you can actually attach her to your backpack or your keychain. How fun! Up next, we're building Fear. Jmmico actually has special videos on their YouTube channels to introduce you to each character. We get to know their backstory, their personality, and what they represent. It's a fun way to connect with the craft on a deeper level. You should check it out. The animations are actually adorable. Aw, poor Fear, he looks so concerned, but he's so adorable. Let's build our last monster. His name is Calm, and he's a 4-star difficulty. Let's see how tricky this guy is to build. Look at these fuzzy friends, aren't they adorable? These kits are perfect for ages 6 and up, and they make a great mindful activity to do together. If you'd like to try this kit for yourself, check out the link in the description below. There's my special affiliate link. When you shop through it, it helps support more fun videos like this. Thanks for crafting with me, and thank you to Jmmico for sending this awesome kit. I'll see you next time. Happy crafting!